on the air as we continue our tour around the minor league. Today, Game 3 of this 4-game series between the Nashville Sounds and the Colorado Springs Sky Sox. Nate Fryman will stand in, hoping for a reversal of fortune here as he's seen that average drop precipitously these past 10 ball games. Now here's the pitch. Hit hard on the ground to short. Throw to first in plenty of time, and the side is retired. So not much happening here in the top half of the first. So it's on to the bottom of inning number 1, no score. Catfish Brown will stand in. He comes off an 0 for 4 in last night's ball game.
Shortstop, Catfish Brown.
Now the first pitch. In there, 0-1.
Just no chance to pull the trigger on that one. It just got on him too fast.
Hey, plays the one. Here we go. Hey, let her rip. One time. Hey, plays it first. Plays it first.
Here's the pitch.
Hey, waits for a good one.
And he just gets a piece there as this is chopped foul. The pitch. Lifted down the line in right and back out of play. Count holds it 0-2. Another 0-2 coming. And did he hold up in time? A look down, and no, he went around. It's strike 3.
Oh, he has just been a man among boys out there this year. I got a feeling you're not going to be seeing this guy.
Empty, 1 man out. Now another 0-2. Oh, now this is hit hard to the right side, but caught out there at second base. And that will become out number 2.
Oh, they came right back at him with another heater right there. He wasn't surprised at all. He might have been sitting on that pitch. But hit it right on the button. It just wound up being right at somebody.
Catfish Brown will dig in now. He struck out and lined out in his first 2 at-bats. First pitch coming. Right through it here, and he's behind 0-1.
You cannot let this situation get any worse. You got to be thinking strikeout or ground ball. Even if you allow 1 run to score in this inning, that would be a major victory.
And boy, was he ever fooled on that pitch. It's 0-2 now. Pause, now the pitch. And he'll take the fastball here inside off the plate. It's 1-2.
And he didn't want that one to be in the strike zone. Even with the bases loaded, this is still a strikeout situation, remember.
Fouled straight back. Tight spot, bases loaded, nobody out. Needs a punch out here. Can he get it? Not on that one, as this is bounced foul. It's still 1-2. A big pitch here, 1-2. Swinging a ball hit on the ground, but this is a foul ball as the count holds steady at 1-2. Here's another 1-2. And he reaches for one out of the zone and misses rather badly for the first out.
Well, this is a stroll he's taken 5 times in this series now. That slow walk back to the dugout after getting punched out. After a while, these things, they start to wear on you. You've got to try to keep the mind.
Catfish Brown will stand in now, hoping to get on track as they've been able to neutralize his power out of the cleanup spot. 0 for 3 thus far. This is hit down the right field line, but it's going to get out of play for strike 1. 2 out, nobody on. Now here's the pitch. Down and away, ball 1.
1 ball, 1 strike. Hey, get your pitch, see through. Let's go.
Here's the 1-1. And now a curveball as he's got to lean out of the way. That one nearly got him.
Here we go, guys. Here we go, fellas. Let's go.
Here's the 2-1 pitch. And this is fouled back and out of play.
Come on now, big guy. Hey, strike him out here. Hey, like
Here comes a 2-2. Full count now, 3-2.
Yeah, and that's not the pitch you want to throw on 2-2. I mean, that was so high, he didn't even have to think about swinging at it.
Bases are empty here with 2 men out. Full count offering on its way. And this is going to be a foul ball. The 3-2 one more time. And he goes the other way with it. Hit well, but this is a foul ball. The payoff pitch one more time. And he's just going to make him throw as many pitches as he can as he fouls another one away, and it's still folded 3-2. Stepping in now, Vladimir Aquino, as the first pitch to him is off the plate for a ball, 1-0. A look here at the hits per side here in the late going. 2 out with the man at first. Now he'll step off the rubber and go to first. Runner back safely. Here's the 1-0. Now the 1-0 is in the air out to left. And that will conclude matters here in the 7th. So no runs on a hit here, no errors, 1 man left on. We'll look ahead to inning number 8 now. MLB The Show's coverage of minor league baseball is on the air as we continue our tour around the minor league. Game 1 of this 4-game set straight ahead between the Colorado Springs Sky Sox and the Omaha Storm Chasers. Catfish Brown will stand in, back in the lineup after getting the night off yesterday. Now the first pitch. They'll try and entice him with a high fastball, but he wouldn't commit. It's ball 1. EK, we take a look at the home 9 as they take the field here tonight. Despite the loss last time out, they enter this one in good shape, winners in 7 of their last 10.
Yeah, and when you're playing good baseball, suddenly first place starts coming into clearer focus. They've really made up some ground here this past week or so.
That's inside. 2-0. Hitters count 2-0. Here's a swing and heads up as he had to hit the deck for dear life that time. 2 out with the man at first. Here's the 2-1 pitch. He's fallen behind now, 3-1.
This is a good fastball spot for him now, and keep in mind, he's got a big hole on that right side of the infield. Now the 3-1 home. Swing, and he takes this the other way to right. And he dives to make a spectacular catch. What a play there to end the inning. Worth a second look here as this is a beauty to end the inning. It's on to the bottom of the first. No score on the show. Sean Jimenez will stand in with a run in, 1 out and 1 on here in the inning. He's set, now the pitch. Oh, and it's tailor-made to short. 6, 4, 3, but it's not in time, and the inning will continue.
And here's why you always go in hard at second base. This could be a very easy double play ball, but you see the aggressive slide here. That really impacts the throw to first, and they wind up getting just 1 on that play.
Catfish Brown will lead things off here with his guys down 7 in the early going. Steve Lyons, how do you come back from a deficit like that?
Well, I think slowly. I mean, yeah, ideally a 10-run inning would be great, but you've got time on your side. You don't need to try to get it all back at once. Just peck away. A couple runs here, a couple runs there. Get yourself into slam range. That's 4 runs down.
And here's a fastball called for strike 1. Well, that pitch isn't going to light up the radar gun, but it's been effective.
Well, it doesn't have to. If you get that good movement and put it in the right spot, it's plenty good enough to do the job.
Throw to first in time, 1 gone here in the 4th.
And you know, sometimes these guys make it look so easy, we forget how difficult it is to make a play like that. Not only did he barehand this ball, but he also made a sweet throw on the run over to first base. So off.
Terrence Gore will lead things off here in the home half of the 4th. Full count offering on its way. And a fastball is hit on the ground towards short. And he'll have himself a leadoff single as this is through into left.
Now batting, first baseman, Trey.
Catfish Brown will stride in, grounded out his last time through.
Shortstop, Catfish Brown.
He's trying to run. Hey, roll up, huh? Nobody here, nobody. Hey, see the drive.
Here's the first offering. Swinging a shot back up the middle, and that'll get through into center field for a base hit.
Yeah, back-to-back singles here to start the inning, and that probably warrants a look at his line to this point. The numbers haven't been too bad all told, but he's got a situation unfolding right here that could cause those numbers to change in a hurry.
Matt Clark will step in now as his guys look for a breakthrough here with a runner in scoring position.
Yeah, and it's been a long time coming. They haven't done anything with their opportunities so far. Maybe this will be the time that they finally crack the scoreboard.
Come on, sitting on something here. Hey, let her rip, let her rip.
Now here's the first pitch. And they start him out away with a cold strike. Not too many strikeouts on the ledger for him so far, but it hasn't really mattered.
Yeah, I think ideally you'd like to see him miss a few more bats, but as long as you're keeping guys off balance and you're letting your defense help you, you don't need to strike a ton of guys out to be successful.
He's set, now the pitch. And boy, they're really giving him fits inside now as he can't get extended there, and it's 0-2 now.
Well, it's just game 1 of this series, but you almost have to wonder if they forgot to pack their offense when they got on the plane. It's been nowhere to be found so far.
Might have been looking to find that outside corner, but he couldn't quite get it there. It's 1-2.
Still now on 1-2, you don't have to make the perfect pitch out there. The count is still well in your favor on the mound. You know, Eric and I like to talk a lot about pitchers keeping hitters off balance at the plate. And this is an excellent illustration of what we're talking about. Now, we didn't like to be off balance at the plate, but this is what you get. He goes fast, then slow, fast, then slow. They never give him the same pitch with the same speed twice in a row. And that's how you keep a guy's timing all messed up.
Into the box, Vladimir Aquino. As the first pitch misses to him, it's ball 1. The next pitch. Downstairs, 2 balls and no strikes.
And one thing you can't do here, you cannot lose him and load the bases. He's still got a couple pitches to play with, but I'd expect this one to be somewhere in a strike zone.
Now the 2-0. And here's a ball hit in the air. But this will land foul just shy of the wall. Here comes the 2-1. And he just gets a piece there as this is chopped foul. Here comes a 2-2. Now he takes something off there as this is skied out to deep center field. 4 is back, and he'll get there to make the play for route number 2.
That ball was hit well, and it might have been a different story if he pulled it. Instead, he hit it to the big part of the ballpark, and he's retired.
Logan Schaefer will step in now and see what he can do with 2 on and 2 out here in the 6th.
2 down now. Hey, here we go. Take the easy way. Here we go. Here we go.
First pitch coming. And he gets a piece here as this ball is fouled away. Both teams with 6 hits so far.
Here you go. Tee up. Let it fly. All right. One place.
He's ready now. The pitch. Fastball, and he's quickly in the hole, 0-2.
Things were looking pretty good for him when they got the first 2 men of the inning to reach, but it's all gone downhill since then.
Hey, let her rip one time. Shut down. Here we go. Shut him down.
From the belt, the pitch. Tried to work it back to that low inside corner, but it misses, 1-2. No runs on 6 hits, and 3 errors for these guys so far tonight. Here comes a 1-2. Now a ball lined towards center field, and that's in there, base hit around third and being waved on home. Now the relay home, and the runner is in from second.
You think he was looking for a fastball there? I think he was. That's about as hard a hit ball as you're going to see, and he was right on that one.
Into the box now, Juan Centeno, as he'll pick on the first pitch and hit a ground ball towards second. Throw on to first gets him, and the side is retired. So it's a run on 3 hits, no errors, and 2 men left on. To the bottom of the 6th inning, the Storm Chasers lead it 9-1. Catfish Brown will get another crack, 1 for 3 thus far.
Catfish Brown.
Hey, come on now, big dog. Get your pitch. No one out now. No one out. Hey, let it fly.
Now the first pitch. And this is fouled straight back.
Over my ear, guys. Get driving. Let's go, kid.
From the belt, kicks and deals. Oh, got him a swing out of his shoes on that one, 0-2.
Yeah, he was trying to do something dramatic right there, but when you think about it, at this point in the ball game, all you need is base runners.
And, oh, look out. Up and in and nearly took his head off.
Yeah, he's not trying to hit him, I don't think, but sometimes you need to keep going.
Big swing there as it's hit pretty well out toward deep left field. Adams has to retreat a bit, but he gets there for route number 1. Well, that graphic there tells you all you need to know about this particular ball game. 9-1 is our score as we draw ever nearer to the end of this one.
To a Saturday edition of Inside the Show. It's time to take a look back at what happened around the majors on Friday. In the National League Central, the Milwaukee Brewers were in Phoenix to take...
Matt Vasgersian here as the guys and I bring you closer to first pitch on the MLB pregame show with tonight's installment of the Bowman Prospect Spotlight. Catfish Brown is in that spotlight as he'll start and make his major league debut in this one. This has got to be one of the more significant moments in his life, right, EK?
Well, no doubt about it, Matt. Every major leaguer remembers their debut, but this one might be even more special. You know, he was a late-round selection back when he got drafted, so he wasn't any kind of prize prospect as he got his career started. He's had to really earn every promotion he's received through hard work and solid play, and the payoff is this chance to play in the show. Who knows if he'll make a career out of it up here, but either way, he is a big leaguer, and that's something most people will never be able to say.
Okay, we're looking forward to this one. Lineups and first pitch on the show coming up next. Saturday Night Baseball here on the show as you get a look at Chase Field in downtown Phoenix. Tonight it's the third of this four-game weekend series between the Milwaukee Brewers and the Arizona Diamondbacks. Catfish Brown will dig in here.
Batting fifth, shortstop, Catfish Brown.
It's your pitch, huh? Hey, now we got
First pitch coming. And this is fouled back and out of play. And here's a curveball in the dirt that time for a ball. 1-1. EK, you take a look at this Diamondback ball club as they begin play here tonight. They come in not exactly setting the world on fire as they've dropped 5 of their last 8 ball games.
Yeah, and the pitching really let them down last time. Too often their guys were falling behind and having to throw fastballs on 2-0 or 3-1. That'll catch up with you after a while.
And this ball is gone. No chance to make a play on that one. Well, what a special way for him to start out his major league career. His first major league hit is also his first major league home run. Not many players can claim that.
And as a player, you're anxious to get those first out of the way as quickly as possible. So safe to say that collecting your first hit and home run with one swing of the bat, well, that's pretty sweet. Let's hope they can get out there and claim that ball for him as a souvenir, because he's going to want to keep that in his trophy case.
Chris Owings to start things off for the Diamondbacks with Paul Goldschmidt set to follow next. 2-2 pitch on the way. Hit on the ground to short. 1 away.
Pretty good work out of the bullpen, as you see there. Got called in much earlier than I'm sure he expected, but he's given him a real lift so far.
Catfish Brown will make his way towards the box to lead off the 5th.
Catfish Brown.
Come on, get ahead, stay ahead. Here we go.
Here's the first offering. This ball's hit in the air down the right side and out of play. 0-1. Now the pitch.
Here you go. Let it fly.
A lot of movement that time. It's 0-2. So that pitch isn't going to light up the radar gun, but it's been effective.
Well, it doesn't have to. If you get that good movement and put it in the right spot, it's plenty good enough to do the job.
Struck him out, but he'll try for first on the drop third strike. Throw on to first is in time to get him, so that'll go down as a strikeout and a 2-3 putout for out number 1.
Kyle Parker.
Ender Inciarte will walk toward the plate as he'll lead things off here in the Arizona 6th inning. And the pitch. Ran it in on him as this is bounced toward short. No problem here, 1 away.
Come on, guy. Get your pitch up there.
Now here's the first pitch. First pitch fastball swung on and missed 0-1. Yet again, another first pitch strike.
And it's a big reason of why he's having the success he is. You establish the count in your favor right away, and it just opens up the door to so many more options going forward.
He waits, now the pitch. And he just dissected him in that at-bat as he flails at that one, and he's down on 3 pitches, 2 away.
Wow, talk about a difference in 24 hours makes. Yesterday, these guys were hitting everything in sight, but things sure have changed this time around.
Here's the 1-1. Hit on the ground to short. On to first, and Saltalamacchia grounds out here, 2 away. A.J. Pollock another shot now, 2 for 3 in the game. Bases are empty here with 2 men out. Here comes the 1-2. Hit on the ground to short. Throw to first in plenty of time, and the side is retired. Another good inning for the Diamondbacks. It's not just the air conditioning that has these folks fired up. We'll come right back with more from Chase Field following this. Catfish Brown will stand in. He homered back in the second inning of this one.
Catfish Brown.
Now here's the first pitch. First pitch fastball off the plate there, and it's ball 1.
Well, one thing we've seen from this guy on the mound so far, when he makes bad pitches, they typically miss out of the strike zone. They don't miss in the zone where they can be crushed.
The 1-0 pitch. Off the plate again, 2-0 now.
2 times here they've gone away. Both pretty easy takes. And as a hitter, now I'm thinking it might be time they try to bust something inside.
Hey, let's turn 2 up. Let it rip right here. We need it. All right, one time, right here.
Now the 2-0 home. Ball 3 as he misses low with it here.
And you know he wants this complete game, but I wouldn't be surprised at all if a walk right here might be the end of the line.
Hey, get your pitch up there. Let's go. Hey, let's roll 2.
Now the 3-0 offering. And this is going to be a foul ball. Here he comes, 3-1. Swing and a ball hit foul as this will find the seats in right. 3-2, here it is. Now a ball grounded to short. This could be 2. 1 there. On to Goldschmidt, a double play.
Well, that's just made to order right there. 2 hops to short, easy pivot, not a lot of heat at second base. That's just a pretty routine double play.
Quite a lot of offense in this one, but if we had to highlight one guy that made the difference, there he is. He's our top player of the game.
Yeah, he came through with a couple of hits, but more importantly, that big home run, which really led his guys to this victory.
So that's a wrap here tonight. Eric Karros, Steve Lyons, Matt Vasgersian, you've been watching MLB The Show. For more, find us on Facebook at MLB The Show.